Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Catherine Young and I'm a creative. So today we are going to do a Depop mystery style bundle. So I wanted to freshen up my style. I just recently moved. If you can't tell, there's nothing here behind me. And I was like, you know what? I want to mix up my style a little bit. So I thought doing a mystery bundle and having somebody else style me was a great idea. So I'm super excited that I got to be styled by a fellow YouTuber and a local. So I'll link her channel below. Her name's Brooke and her channel is One Sick Kitten. And she does thrifting and reselling and she does great videos here on YouTube. And what I love is her style is nothing like mine. So she is in her 20s. Her style is much more fresh, much more edgy. And I thought this would be the perfect thing to push me out of my comfort zone. Now, Brooke is a top reseller on Depop. And to be completely honest, as a plus size woman, Depop is not my favorite platform to shop at all. What happens with Depop is it relies a lot on you trying on the clothes and showing them in your pictures. So a lot of the times resellers that are smaller sizes than me show my clothing as oversized. And so not only do I not get a good view of what the clothing would actually look like on me, but now I'm competing with people of smaller sizes buying up my size. So Depop is just, that kind of scenario is kind of problematic when you're plus size. So it's not the easiest to shop at. Little miss, do you need in the video? She does. Oh, little miss. Hi. Hi. You say hi to everyone? Oh, yes. We always have to be in the video, don't we? So what I was really excited about having Brooke style me is I get to watch her thrifting and doing reselling via YouTube. So I kind of had like an inside sneak peek and it made me feel like I could trust her with the styling. And seriously, I just love watching her thrift because she buys stuff that is really cool and is something I would never grab off the thrifting shelves, and I know which thrift store she's at. So I actually really love watching her thrifting videos because it's so fun seeing what she grabs, and I always think they're great items, but I would never grab them myself. So my mystery bundle cost $86 plus shipping. I think it came to almost exactly $100 with the shipping, and here is what is included. So the mystery bundle includes 2 tops, one sort of bottom of like trousers, skirts, something like that, and at least 3 accessories. Now in her description, she also talks about pulling things from her own closet. And because Brooke is not plus size and is much smaller, I was worried about her doing a plus size bundle if that was going to be too hard to put together. But you know, I left a comment on one of her YouTube videos and she said she was game. So here we go. So the box is really cute. It says mystery right there. So super cute. And here we go. Let's open her up. Cut. Sorry. Picture. Cut. Cutting song. Cut. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Woo. Ooh, all right. Some very colorful wrapping. Ooh, and layers of stuff. Okay. Ooh, okay. So she's got this adorable little card. Ooh, and she's got some stuff. So I am going to read these later. What I'm super excited about is I know a lot of these things are just stuff I would not pick out. So that is awesome. And just so you know, like I gave her paragraphs of things to look for and directed her to my social and my YouTube. So I gave her as much as I could to hopefully help her do as good as she could. All right. Oh, this is jewelry. You know, I love some jewelry. And okay, look at the first piece. This is super groovy. Okay. So this first piece is very Y2K, and I don't have anything like this, so I'm kind of digging it. Let's check, how do you open this? Am I just that dense that I don't know how to open this? It's totally possible. Ooh, and it's got red inside. So this is by XOXO, and that's definitely a Y2K brand. So this is really interesting. I'm excited to try to style this. Ooh, the next piece. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, this is so rock and roll. Ooh, I really like this. Again, this is something that I probably wouldn't pick for myself. So I'm really excited that she grabbed this for me. And I can definitely wear this to concerts. Ooh, I'm into it. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh, it's a long, nice house coat. Oh my God, y'all. She just killed it. Look it. It is a freaking Bob Mackie. Yes. Oh, I can't wait to style this and show you guys. I love house coats. So when I gave her direction for this bundle, I actually said, call this bundle Steven Tyler in a house dress, because Steven Tyler is one of my biggest style inspirations. So I love that she was able to find one. Now we got some lacy girly stuff. Ooh. Oh, is this a robe? Oh, it is. Oh my goodness. I have had such a hard time finding a beautiful plus size robe like this. So, ooh, she did good. I'm loving this. And I'll style this up as like a day wear too. So I'll show y'all how I get that all styled up. Okay, and there's one last piece in here. Ooh, and it is a skirt. Oh, okay, so this is not the type of skirt I would typically buy for myself. So I am really excited to try to style this because I actually really like it. And just holding it up against myself on the camera, I think the colors look really good with my skin tone. So, ooh, this is gonna be different. I'm excited. Okay. Can't forget about the jewelry. All right. Cutting song. Ooh. She gave me some black beads. Ooh, and a black like beaded kind of cross. Ooh, very rock and roll. These will go very well with the other pieces. Oh my gosh, and she gave me a brooch that is a cat playing. That's pretty great. Oh, so yeah, this bundle is very like rock and roll yet feminine, which is super cool. So I got my cute little cat brooch here, pinned it on a white purse to pop against those white florals. I also added a bunch of white jewelry to really play that up. I think that looks great against the color. Unfortunately, this is an extra large, which is too small of a size for me. And despite this being super stretchy, it does hug me kind of in the wrong places. But I do think this is a win. I think this was a really fun piece. I just wish it would have been in a larger size. This look, I really like the idea of. I love the purse. I think the shirt is fun. I paired it with a leopard print skirt. She recommended a black and red skirt, and girl, I've been looking for one. I added more blingy jewelry that was more accented, and I think that's more my style. Yeah, I just think the purse is really cute. I don't think I'm going to wear this shirt though. I didn't realize it says Rockstar, and I kind of feel like Rockstar is the type of shirt someone would wear if they don't actually go to concerts. And as an avid concert goer, I think I would feel like it's just self-conscious wearing that. So I actually don't think I would wear this shirt despite really liking the way this outfit looks. I don't think I'm going to wear the shirt, unfortunately. This is a total win. I love this robe top. Oh my God, it has a little button there. I think it is just sexy and so beautiful. I'm not loving the skirt because it's not A-frame, it's more of a straight line. But oh my God, I love this. And I had to look for like subtle jewelry, which I don't own, which is a total win because that's a new look for me. So this robe is the winner of the show. This robe is like the best piece possible that came in this box. I love it. All right, y'all. What did you think? Did you love my outfits? Oh, styling this was definitely a challenge, but I think it just kind of got me out of my box. A mystery box got me out of my box, whatever. And it was fun giving it a try. And I think she really was diligent to what I told her. When you looked at the description of things I said, she really looked at the items and was like, okay, what do I need to find? What do I need to put together? So that's exciting. So tell me what outfit was your favorite. Also, have you ever done a mystery box from a small reseller before? I would love to know how that went. I would love to try these again. Yeah, I think I might do these again and do another one of these on my channel from a small reseller because this was really fun. I love supporting women. I love supporting small resellers. And you know what? It just gave me a little push to get out of my style funk for the summer. So that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you love like vintage, thrifting, creative content, this is the channel for you. So be sure to subscribe. And I will see you next week. See you later, y'all. Stay creative. Bye. There is hair in my face. Okay, there we go. Ooh, whoops. Sorry. Oh, I swear my nose only itches when the camera's rolling. Oh, seriously, your nose only itches when the camera's going. That's how it works.